Hi, welcome to Adalat. Many of the students are asking about how to become a lawyer in Supreme Court. So today I will tell you about how to become a lawyer in Supreme Court. You know that to become a lawyer means to become a practicing lawyer in any court after completing LLB degree, you have to write the examination conducted by Bar Council of India known as All India Bar Examination. If you qualified in that examination, means that AIBE, All India Bar Examination, you will become as a practicing lawyer at any court of the law. That is the regular procedure to become a lawyer in any court of law. But actually, to become a lawyer in Supreme Court introduced a procedure, as well as Supreme Court introduced one examination in the name of Advocate on Record examination. What is this Advocate on Record examination? Who can appear to this examination? How the examination shall be? What is the pattern of that examination? What type of questions shall be come? I will explain you. First one, who are eligible to write means to appear this AOR examination means those who completed 5 years of experience, means 5 years as practicing lawyer, means you must complete 5 years from the date of enrollment, and means between the dates of your enrollment and the notification of the AOR examination, you have to complete 5 years as a practicing advocate, including 1 year training at senior advocate on record. Means you see, generally in the month of April, means in the first week of April, Supreme Court will issue the notification related to this AOR examination. So if you want to appear for this examination, means let the notification, we shall discuss about the notification of the AOR examination related to 2020. Means it will be released by the Supreme Court, the notification will be released by the Supreme Court in the first week of April, means in the next week approximately, but due to this corona effect, maybe it will be extended, that is secondary. So if you want to appear the AOR examination 2020, you cannot apply as of now. Further, there is a procedure. First, you have to complete 5 years as an advocate, including 1 year training at advocate on record, means senior advocate on record. For this, what you have to do means, if you want to appear the AOR examination 2020, you have to complete 1 year of service by the end of April, 2020. So for that, what you have to do means, first you have to join at a senior AOR, means the AOR who has a minimum experience of 10 years as an AOR. You have to join at the senior AOR 1 year prior to the date of notification. Means if you want to appear for the AOR 2020, you should join at a senior AOR in the month of April 2019. So your training at senior AOR will be completed by end of April 2020. You have to inform the registry of the Supreme Court about your date of joining related to your training, as well as you have to collect the certificate from the senior advocate after completion of your training at the senior advocate, and you have to give this certificate along with the AOR application. This is the first one, means how to apply for the AOR examination, as well as who are eligible to appear for the AOR examination. Next, how this AOR examination shall be? This is the question. Generally, the notification for the AOR examination will be issued by the Supreme Court in the month of April, and the AOR examination will be conducted in the month of June. This is the regular process. Every year process also. Every year Supreme Court will conduct the AOR examination only at Supreme Court compound. Only at Supreme Court compound. This examination shall be conducted in 4 papers. Paper 1, Paper 2, Paper 3, Paper 4. The maximum marks for every paper is 100 and the duration 3 hours. But 30 minutes means grace period will be given to the second paper, I will tell you. So, maximum marks for each paper 100 and the duration is 3 hours. You have to get a minimum of 50% marks in each paper. That is compulsory. You have to get a minimum of 50% marks in each paper to qualify the examination. As well as the aggregate must be 60%. Means if you get just between 50 and 55 like that in each paper, you will not be qualified, because the aggregate must be 60%. Means if the total marks of all these papers altogether is 400 marks, you must get above 240 marks. But in each paper 50% is enough, but aggregate is 60%. That is compulsory to qualify in the AOR examination. Next, paper 1. Paper 1 is related to practice and procedure. Means this first paper shall be given on practice and procedure. As I told you, the maximum marks are 100 and duration is 3 hours. How this paper shall be means, in this paper there shall be 5 sections. 5 sections. In the first section, 2 questions will be given and each question carries 16 marks. Means this 16 marks means 2 questions means 2 8 marks questions may be given as 1 question, or 4 mark questions may be given as 1 question, or 1 16 mark question may be given. That is the interest of the paper setter. So in section 1, 2 questions will be given and each question carries 16 marks, total 32. Section 2, 3 questions will be given and each question carries 12 marks. So 3 into 12, 36. And section 3, again 2 questions will be given and each question carries 10 marks. 2 into 10, 20 marks. And in section 4, One question will be given and it carries 8 marks. So 1 into 8, 8 marks. As well as the last section, 2 questions will be given. Each question carries 6 marks. 2 into 6, 12 marks. So there shall not be any choice in paper 1. You must answer all the questions. It is compulsory. This is paper 1. This is paper 1. Section 1, already I told 2 into 16, 32. And section 2, 3 into 12, 36. And section 3, 2 into 10, 20. And section 4, 1 into 8, 8 marks. And section 5, 2 into 6, 12 marks. Total 100. This is paper 1, which shall be conducted on practice and procedure. And the second paper, drafting. It shall be conducted on drafting. Means they will give some, what is that, cases. You have to prepare the petitions for that cases. So for paper 2, you will get 30 minutes grace period just to read the cases. How the paper 2 shall be means, this paper also maximum marks 100. In this paper also maximum marks 100, and the time duration is 3 hours plus 30 minutes extra just to read the cases. In this paper, 4 questions shall be given. You have to answer all the questions. There shall not be any choice. See, in the first section, 2 questions will be given. Each question carries 25 marks. 2 into 25 is equal to 50 marks. And in the second question, the second section, section 2, 1 question will be given, and that question carries 20 marks. And in section 3, 1 question will be given, and that question carries 30 marks. So 4 questions will be given in 3 sections, and you must answer all the 4 questions. And the maximum marks for this paper is 100. This shall be conducted on drafting. This is paper 2. And paper 3. Paper 3 shall be conducted on advocacy and professional ethics. Advocacy and professional ethics. Here 30 marks grace period will be given only to paper 2. Grace time 30 minutes will not be given to other papers, other 3 papers. It is only for paper 2, that is drafting. So while coming to the paper 3, this is also, in this paper also, maximum marks 100 and time duration 3 hours. How this paper shall be means, in the first section, 6 questions will be given. You have to answer any 3. You have to answer any 3. 3 into 20 means each question carries 20 marks. 3 into 20 is equal to 60 marks. And in section 2, 4 questions will be given, and you have to answer any 2. Any 2. Each question carries 10 marks. 2 into 10 is equal to 20 marks. Means in section 1 you have choice, and in section 2 you have choice. 50% of choice. And while coming to the section 3, 10 questions will be given, and each question carries 2 marks. You have to answer all the questions 10 into 2 is equal to 20. So in section 3, there shall not be any choice. You have to answer all the questions, and all the questions are short answer questions. So the pattern of paper 3 shall be like that, which shall be conducted on advocacy and professional ethics. Professional ethics. And the last paper, it shall be conducted on leading cases. Leading cases means familiar cases. Already at the time of notification, Supreme Court will give list of leading cases. Nearly 40 plus cases will be given by the Supreme Court, and out of these 40 plus cases, 10 cases will be given in the last paper, which shall be conducted on leading cases, and you have to answer any 5 out of those 10. Any 5 out of those 10. Each question carries 20 marks. So 5 into 20 is equal to 100. In this paper also, maximum marks are 100 and duration is 3 hours. This is the pattern of advocate on record examination, which shall be conducted by the Supreme Court of India to become as a lawyer in Supreme Court of India. So those who completed, means likely to be completed or completed their training by end of April 2020 are eligible to write the examination of AOR 2020, and also the notification for this AOR 2020 examination likely to be issued by the Supreme Court in the first week of April, but actually for this year maybe it will be extended. I can't say exactly, but there is a chance that this notification will be extended. So once you applied for the examination will be conducted in the month of June 2020. Every day one paper will be conducted. 4 days 4 papers will be conducted, and you have to get 50%, a minimum of 50% marks in every paper, and you have to obtain or you have to get 60% aggregate marks. Means out of 400 you have to get more than 240 marks to qualify the AOR examination. Once you qualified in that examination, you will become as a lawyer in Supreme Court of India. This is the procedure to become as a lawyer in Supreme Court of India. In the next Adalat program, we shall discuss on some other issue on next Saturday at 6 p.m. Till then, bye.